Hello my people, in this video we will see how to account create Skrill. This is very easy. Creating a Skrill account is completely free and takes just a few minutes. For the step-by-step registration and verification process, follow this detailed guide. Step 1. Sync up. Visit the official Skrill website or download the Skrill mobile app and click the register button. Step 2. Enter your information. Fill out the registration form with your real details: first name, last name, country of residence, and date of birth. Step 3. Select currency. Choose your base currency. Note that this is the currency you will use to send and receive money, and it cannot be easily changed later. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Skrill and click the activation link valid for 15 or 13 minutes. Step 5. Set up a PIN and security. Log back into your account, enter your phone number to receive a verification SMS code, and create a secure PIN for your transaction. If you need to verify your identity to increase your transaction limit, you will need to upload a valid government-issued photo ID, like a passport, and proof of address. And well, that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time.